Number 2, we have the Jordan 38. The Jordan 38s excel in providing exceptional cushioning and support, making it a top choice for basketball players. The shoe features a full-length Zoom Air Strobel unit, which offers a well-balanced ride with excellent impact protection and responsiveness. This cushioning setup is complemented by an injected Phylon midsole and Cushlon 3.0 foam, ensuring a plush and bouncy feel underfoot. The traction of the Jordan 38 is another standout feature. It comes equipped with a translucent rubber outsole and an aggressive full-length herringbone traction pattern, providing superb multi-directional coverage on clean indoor courts. However, the translucent rubber may not be ideal for outdoor use due to its durability. In terms of materials, the Jordan 38 boasts a minimalist, lightweight build that combines textiles and synthetic leather. This design not only keeps the shoe breathable and light, but also ensures minimal break-in time. The synthetic, nubuck, and leather in the heel and toe box areas add to the shoe's containment and support. Support and stability are further enhanced by the innovative X-shaped spring plate, which covers the midfoot and forefoot. This plate provides torsional rigidity and springy reactiveness, crucial for quick movements and sharp cuts on the court. The shoe also features a wide base, outriggers, and a heel counter, all contributing to its overall stability.